guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use the official Indian Su-Swagatam app to apply an e-business visa to travel to India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened this app in front of you. So you need to log in first. And then when you click on apply for visa, first it's gonna ask you to pick your nationality. Okay, now not all the nationals are eligible to use this app. Like there are nationalities who can apply for e-visa, but they have to apply online, I mean using the website, but not this app. But yeah, as of now 60 nationalities are eligible, so you need to make sure that you are from there. Okay, so you can tap on this type you want to apply, e-visa, then you're applying e-business visa. Okay, and you need to show some patience also. Details, purpose of visit, so you see, attend technical business meeting, expert special connection with ongoing project, scheme, sell, purchase, trade, sports related activity, join the vessel, whatever. So let's say you're going to participate in a business meeting. Okay, so that's what I selected. Now provide detailed purpose. Okay, I'm just writing sample, but you, when you do it, definitely do it. Okay, proper. All right, click on next. So first you need to select your passport, date of birth. Do it as per your own case. I'm just doing sample. Okay, it's not actual. Date of arrival, date of exit, port of expected port of arrival. So I'll just select Delhi. Okay, surname as shown in passport. So guys, always verify whatever you enter here at least 2 times. Okay, if you have ever changed your name, if you check this box, it will ask you to provide that. Otherwise, that's good. Like city of birth, country of birth, citizenship, national ID number. I'm just putting sample, you do as per your case. Religion, visible mark, I'm writing any, but you definitely do if you have. Graduate. Have you lived for at least 2 years in the country where you're applying visa? I select yes. Okay, otherwise it will ask you more information. Country from suggestions only. Okay, which was this country of birth. So let me see what I have here. Country, please select. Okay, let me handle. Okay, so I handled that page. I just went back and entered the information again. Passport number, like I'm just putting sample, you do it as per your case. Place of issue, date of issue. Of course these details you can find it out yourself, but verify at least 2 times. Okay, not just once, 2 times. Any other valid citizenship they are asking? I said no, but if you have, definitely provide that. House number, village, country. Basically you are populating your address. Mobile number, phone number. Click here for same address. Father's detail, let's say his father name was Peter Smith. Place of birth, of course you know, for your parents you know. Mother's name, let's say Nancy Smith. Oh, previous nationality, why did I go for that? But yes, if you have, definitely provide, no doubt. Arjan. Marital details, unmarried. If you ask for married, they will ask for the details. But yes, if you are married, definitely provide that. Don't never provide any false information. It could have a very bad impact on your case. And whether your grandfather, grandmother project prior to referral country procedure from Pakistan, I select no. But if you have, definitely provide information. Present occupation, I'll just say IT. Security, college, university, teacher, charity. Do I have computer? No. Okay. Do you have engineer? Yes. Employer, business, designation, address, phone number. Provide that information correctly, guys. I'm just putting sample. Places to be visited: Delhi, Kolkata. I wish I could visit someday. Have you booked your room in hotel, resort? If you said yes, they will ask for the details. Okay. And if you have booked, definitely, generally when people go for conferences and all, they have that information, right? Delhi, where expected port of exit. Attend technical details of the applicant company. Yeah. Your applicant company, phone, website, www. Details of the Indian firm, address, phone number. Provide this information correctly because it can be easily verified by visa officers. So do not put any false information. It could be like very bad. This is sample. Address, phone number example. Which field? Address and phone number. Oh. Let me see if this gets accepted. Address. Oh, comma they are asking. Let me see if I put a comma whether it will be accepted. Let me handle this. Have you ever visited before India? I select no. Has permission to visit or extend my stay in India denied? I select no. If you have, definitely do that. And show some patience. Have you visited any country in the last 10 years? Have you visited SAARC countries except in the past 3 years? I select no. Reference name in India. Of course, if you are going to attend a business meeting, you will have that information. Reference name in home country. Have you ever arrested, prosecuted? Like your security questions, all are no, but definitely you need to read, understand, and then check. And this is a declaration. Next, it will ask you to upload your photo, passport, and other relevant documents, and then payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.